In splendor's embrace, my offering I bring, a tribute to the Maker, my heart takes wing. My art has a voice. It speaks of His design, a reflection of the divine, a purpose so fine. Gold, silver, bronze, like colors in the dawn, stones find their place, a song to carry on. Wood whispers tales of ages gone by. Through crafts and skills, my voice takes to the sky. In talents woven, spirit's gentle choice, my art has a voice, a message to rejoice. With wisdom's touch and understanding's grace, my hands craft stories that time can't erase. My art has a voice, a message to rejoice.